Di ako papayag na makakarinig ako na hindi pwedeng strict yung rules. Di ako papayag dyan kasi bawal yun. It is an injustice to the Filipino people na i-disregard natin yung rules. Now, sabi ng iba, kung gusto nyo, ginagamit yung rules. Kung ayaw, ginagamit ng rules. Well, that's what we learn in law school when to apply the rules. Like I said, there are different set of rules. So, it's up to you to argue your case that in this particular case, we have to use the strict interpretation. In this case, hindi tayo dapat strict kasi may iba tayong rules na pwede. Sa akin naman po, basta may basihan, doon tayo magtalo. Pero hindi pwede yung walang basihan. Magtanong ka para maintindihan mo. Huwag tayong magtalo dahil hindi mo alam. Alamin natin. Let's understand the rules and then we can have a debate, right? Normally, ang lawyer, hindi ho nakikipagdebate sa hindi lawyer. Because alam namin na iba yung training namin eh. But because being in the Senate by itself does not require that you are a lawyer, there is no requirement, then by nature, a non-lawyer can debate with me in the Senate, di ba? So, ano ako doon? Mindful ako doon. Pero, it so happens that, right, that's why when we debate laws or bills, I always try to explain it in a layman's term. Kasi, alam ko may nakikinig, tapos possible din naman na yung kausap ko, hindi naman abogado. That's very possible. In this impeachment proceeding, ganun din, ang mga kasama ko, karamihan, hindi abogado. So I also try to explain. Pero ang sa akin, hindi pwedeng disregard the law. Intindihan natin yung law. I will be very patient in explaining. But it is a legal procedure. So we cannot disregard it. We cannot say, wala nang legal-legal dito, wala nang technical. Hindi ho pwede yun. And pag nakakarinig ako ng arguments na hindi man lang i-consider yung ibang arguments, ayoko din nun. Sabihin na lang natin na this is my belief, this is the view that I take. If somebody else has a different view, i-argue mo yung view mo. Hindi yung parang wala kang narinig. Hindi mo ganun yun. Kasi people are watching, nakikita nila, naririnig nila. So maganda sana na nadedebate ng maayos. So anyway, I hope this helped you understand more legal terms, the legal process, and it will help you, if not participate, dahil hindi naman ho kayo parties in the impeachment, but understand it and have, like I said, intelligent discussions because the Filipino people deserve to understand and deserve to have intelligent discussions.